How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be wrapping up Venus for March 2020, and because the moon is a permanent object observable in our skies, it sneaks into the video every now and again, so we'll cover the moon also. Right, for this video, I'm starting off with where Venus was on the 28th of January, just to remind us where it was then and then to compare it to where it is now. I did a comparison for February also, and I will link it in the description if I remember. And I just want us to recap some facts and figures about Venus as you enjoy my southern hemisphere views. Venus is one of the 5 wandering stars known to the ancient astronomers. It is affectionately known as Earth's twin. The size of Venus is about 0.9 times the size of Earth. Venus is a very volcanic, rocky planet with a diameter of 12,104 kilometers. Earth's diameter, just as a reminder, is 12,742 kilometers. Venus's distance from the Sun is 107,950,000 kilometers. And as like with Earth, Venus's orbit is also elliptical, varying between 107,476,000 to 108,942,000 kilometers. Venus's closest approach to Earth is plus minus 38 million kilometers, and this happens once every 584 days. Now, before I give you Venus's rotational speed, I just want to give you a little fun fact to bear in mind for comparison. Usain Bolt, the 100-meter dash Olympic champion, runs it in 37.58 kilometers per hour. This translates to 9.58 seconds per 100 meters. Now, Venus's rotational speed is only 6 kilometers per hour, barely a crawl. Because of this little fact, Venus's rotational speed is slower than its orbit around the Sun. It takes 224.7 days to go around the Sun, but takes 243 days to make one rotation. Amazing. With this incredibly slow rotational speed, I wondered what kept Venus in orbit around the Sun then. And then I found out that it does have a gravitational attraction of 8.87 meters per second squared, and it has a mean velocity of 35 kilometers a second. Now, that is a lot faster than Earth's 30 kilometers per second, and I think this is what helps keep it in orbit, because that is an incredibly slow rotational speed compared to the Earth's 1,600 kilometers per hour. You know, guys, according to Google, Venus was first recorded in the 14th century BC, which means us as humanity, we have known about Venus for about 16,000 years. And I find that incredible, which means as we were starting out, advancing our civilizations, this is one of the observations that has stood the test of time. I am looking at it like 16,000 years later, and it's amazing, awesome, wonderful, incredible. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, and it has a scorching surface temperature of, wait for it, 462 degrees Celsius. And because of Venus's greenhouse effect and trapping all that heat, makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. And guys, as I mentioned, the moon always likes to make a sneak appearance in my video clips, and I absolutely love it. Here it is very high in the sky, very much north of northwest. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the views, comments, likes. Guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.